So today I am going to ride to the local mountain bike trail, Virginia Key, from a couple miles out of the Key, the Miami Brickell Coconut Grove area, and riding my mountain bike. What I want to do today is install this mountain bike bell from Timber. And $49 MSRP. Let's see. Quick release with a couple different attachments to fit different size handlebars. The reason I bought this is last time on the trail, some guy with his kid knows that I'm behind, but is just refusing to move over. I was polite, I didn't say anything, and I just waited. I think it would be really helpful to get a bell to let people know that I'm there, so I have legit reason to politely ask for a pass. Now this one has a off function and a on function. So if I'm riding on the road, obviously I don't need it. Just put it on off. But on the trail, very nice. Okay, two levels of there's one level, second level for the loudness, I think. Let's see, rubber attachments. I think this one should work. Yep. So let's put it somewhere here. Right here. Okay. Yeah, pretty firm. Once you have it installed, I mean, I could probably use a slimmer one. This may be the medium. Put it right here. But really, personal preference. Yeah. So most folks on the trail is pretty polite, especially kids, families with kids. When they hear there are some other mountain bikes coming, they will tell their kids, "Hey, be careful. Be situational aware that folks are on your back." But last time for that family, obviously the dad just wants to have the trail all to himself. So having a bell today is definitely going to help. We're going to do some demo. So the advantage of having a 29er hardtail is this thing can go pretty fast on the road, so I can ride to the trail, no problem. And I'm still recovering from a cold, so today's performance might not be the best, but let's try to make the most out of it. Another reason I parked far out of the Key is to save some money on the toll, and also the park entrance on the weekend is about $8. So in total I saved $10 by just riding from outside of the Key. Still recovering, so today's performance might not be the best. Bear with me and enjoy the ride. Actually, let's test the bell. Wow, this is nice. So people's in front, they'll definitely hear it. Right now, turn it off because nobody's in front. So this is great. And that was just level 1. It's not even level 2, which I think is going to be even more loud. Try level 2. Great. Oh, love this. It's gonna be fun. Definitely gonna make those parents aware. Bike's coming. If they refuse to move away, you're just gonna get politely belled. Turn to the middle level. Middle level have less of the high notes, so it's like the bell is in the middle, and you can fully turn off, like so. No noise, no people. Probably no need to turn on. When there's people, I can just quickly flip it, which is fantastic. Morning.
Morning.
And as you guys can see, for folks who are really situationally aware, you don't really need a bell. The bell is just for folks who have no clue what the trail etiquette is, or teach their kids the proper way of knowing when there might be dangerous to continue to go on the trail. And yeah, let's keep the ride, keep on riding. So how does the bell work? The bell works great, both in town and on the trail. Again, I didn't use it on the trail a lot because folks are pretty aware of other fellow bikers' presence. It's just sometimes there are some jerks that requires use of this bell to get them moving. All right, but the bell itself works great. Have absolutely no complaint. This is the medium setting that I'm showing you guys. Definitely make everyone aware that you're here. And enough demo, I'm gonna turn it off and conclude this video for the Timber Bell. And the bell, the locking mechanism, only went on or only activated itself once during a kind of a rather small job. So if you do a lot of like trails with a lot of big jobs, it's gonna activate itself rather frequently, but it's just gonna be one ding. Some folks reviewed this bell and said, oh, it constantly being activated. It's just dinging once you hit a big job. I ride mostly beginner and intermediate trails, and this thing only ringed by accident maybe twice. So if you're concerned, I mean, it's not really annoying once it rings during a job. So if you're concerned, maybe you should look for something else, because it does actually ring itself once in a while on jobs. So that's the only thing I want to say. And concluding the ride, hope you guys found the bell helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will have more cycling related videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again, and safe ride out there.